Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get an update on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 or the PJ Patterson Highway. So right here is the Maypen roundabout where the new section of the highway will start, and you can see construction work going on straight ahead. So this roundabout is going to be taken out, and a subscriber asked us to give an update on what's going on with the roundabout. So there you can see the roundabout is still there. They haven't started to remove it yet. Now over here, I guess they have started to dump up this section now, because this is where it will lead into the roundabout, or the section that we just came off by the roundabout. So here you can see them leveling it off so that it will be just one straight road. You won't even know that the highway once ended at the roundabout. And that bridge straight ahead is the Rio Mino Bridge, and it's the widest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. Not the widest bridge in Jamaica, but the widest 4-lane bridge in Jamaica. So we can go down and get a closer look. So this highway is to be opened in August 2023. That's August of this year. We're going to try and drive on it very soon. They have us. But they put up that barricade so that persons don't drive on it, but we have asked for permission to drive on the road, and we are just waiting to get an answer. So if they give us permission, we will take a tour of the entire stretch of the highway from here to Williamsfield. Alright, so straight ahead, if you look, that is where both sections of the highway will line up. So they are basically leveling up this section where you see, actually they are going to pave it. That's the only thing left to do now, is pave it and take out the roundabout and just have one continuous road. Alright, so this is a roundabout. I'm not sure why they didn't open up certain sections of this road as it was finished. I don't know why they're just waiting to open up the entire thing from Kingston to Williamsfield. But there is a toll plaza in Tollgate, so you could drive from Maypen to Tollgate. That section of the road is finished. Well, maybe they have some fine tuning to do, but they could allow persons to drive there and then pay toll at Tollgate and come off the highway, because the section by the Melrose Hill bypass is not finished. But the Melrose Hill bypass section is going to be free. So I'm not sure why they didn't do it in pieces, but they have the entire thing from the Maypen roundabout to Williamsfield scheduled to open in August of this year. And of course we'll keep you guys updated. As I said, we asked for permission to drive on the road, and we are waiting to hear what they say. Alright, so this is the Maypen bypass now. So this is the main road. that you would use if you're not this is the main road basically. The other road is the highway. So if you're not going to pay the toll to use the highway, this is the road you drive on.